Sunrise at Larnach Castle and the start of day 7. Then it's breakfast in the stables where John and Mark stayed the night, and then a look around the grounds before going off to the albatross colony. There's been a tsunami warning, but we're still going to go off to the albatross colony, but it's just a matter of whether we'll be able to get back along the waterfront if the tsunami does actually hit. But we'll see and take our chances.
Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. My music hits me so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me. What a mind to rhyme and to hype me, it feels good when you know you're down. A super dope homeboy from the Oak Town, and I'm known as such, and this is a beat you can't touch. I told you, homeboy, you can't touch this. Yeah, that's how we living, and you know you can't touch this. Look in my eyes, man, you can't touch this. Yo, let me bust the funky lyrics. Fresh new kicks and bands, you got it like that. Now you know you wanna dance, so move out of your seat and get a fire girl and catch this beat while it's rolling. Hold on, bump a little bit and let them know what's going on like that. Like that. Hold on a minute, so fall on back, let them know that you're too much. And this is a beat they can't touch. Yo, I told you, you can't touch this. Why you standing there, man? You can't touch this. Yo, sound the bell, school is in, sucker. You can't touch this. Give me a song or rhythm, make them sweat. That's what I'm giving them now. They know. You talk about the hammer, you're talking about a show that's hyped and tight. Singers are sweating so fast, I'm a whiteboard tape. To learn what's it gonna take in the 90s to burn the charts. Legit. Either work hard or you might as well quit. That's word, because you know you can't touch this. You can't touch this. Break it down.
What you need to do is get out there. It'll be much better.
Okay, this is video diary, fucking intellectual conversation 53 today. So we're trying to figure out where we're going to go. We've got 400 hours of writing to do after we've done the wineries.
According to Mark.
Mastermind Mark, here he is. Fucking, he looks smarter than he is, but that's not too difficult, is it? And yes, that we're all ready to go. And where are we going first? I don't know, rubbish. Do something funny, Brent. Oh, that's good! No. So, this is us in our little hovel. Brent still wearing his pants.
Like 5-bedroom mansion.
You'll be pleased about that.
He won't have his pants on for much longer. How do I stop this thing? For God's... Take 2. This is plan A. So we're going to leave... Where the hell are we?
8 o'clock.
Where's this place? Alexandra.
We're
We're
gonna
going to
leave
leave Alexandra at 8 o'clock. We're going to go to Arrowtown, have a little bimble round. Then we're going to do 3 wineries, only 3, Pinot Noir. And then we're going to ride 400 Ks and get hopefully to Geraldine, where we're going to see Jeremy. And we're not going to have a drink at the Blue Pub, because that's the next day. That would be good going, wouldn't it? Look at these intellectuals. God. Look at the stuff I've got to work with.